Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add watermark to protect your Fiverr work. This is an essential feature if you're a freelancer who wants to prevent clients from using your preview work without actually purchasing your service. Let's jump right in and get this set up. First, open your web browser and navigate to fiverr.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your account. This will bring you to your main Fiverr dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your freelancing business. Now, look at the top menu where you'll find several options for managing your Fiverr account. Click on My Business, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Gigs. This section is where all your active service listings live, and it's the hub for editing and updating anything related to the services you offer. You'll now see a list of all your gigs displayed on the screen. Browse through them and click on the specific gig where you want to add watermark protection. This could be any gig where you're sending preview files to clients, such as logo designs, video edits, or any other creative work that you want to safeguard before payment. Once you've opened that gig, scroll down through the settings until you locate the option labeled Activate Watermark. This is the feature that automatically applies a protective watermark to any preview files you send to potential buyers. When you find it, simply toggle it on. By enabling this, Fiverr will add their watermark to your preview images or videos, ensuring clients can see your work quality without being able to use the final product before purchase. And that's it. You've successfully added watermark protection to your Fiverr gig, giving you peace of mind that your creative work is protected during the preview stage. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.